Hello friends, this is MD Khayyum Civil Engineer. A hearty welcome to all the viewers of JLT Academy. Today I am going to discuss about difference between TMX bar versus TMT bar. But before going to discuss in detail, I request all the viewers, those who are new to our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel JLT Academy. So friends, let's move on to discuss about the introduction part. So what is meant by steel? So steel is one of the most commonly used material in commercial and industrial building construction. So it is a very important material in all the major components are filled with the steel. So it is the most commonly used material both in commercial and also residential buildings. So structural steel differs from concrete in its attribute. Structural steel differs from concrete in its attributed compressive strength as well as tensile strength. So basically it is having difference between when compared to concrete, it is having the tensile strength whereas concrete is having the compressive strength. So that's why it is showing the structural steel differs. So now strength, having high strength, stiffness, toughness and ductile properties in structural components. So steel is having high strength and also it is having more stiffness and it is also having toughness very hard and also it is having the property of a ductile in all the structural components like foundation, slab, beam, column, etc. In this article, I am going to tell you about steel is best for house construction. So this image shows you this is nothing but the steel. Now what is meant by TMT bars? So basically TMT indicates here thermomechanically treated bars. T indicates thermo, M indicates mechanically and T indicates treated. So TMT indicates here thermomechanically treated bars which are used as reinforced bar. TMT bars are generally hot rolled from steel billets and are subject to a block and are subjected to a programmable logic controller PLC from the thermomechanical treatment. They are used for civil construction purposes. So this is the TMT steel bar. You can see this is it is showing on the steel also about SS about TMT. Now what is meant by TMX bar? So here TMX steel is a high quality TMT bar. So it is also one type of steel but it is having a high quality compared to the thermomechanically treated bar. So TMX is nothing but Thermax technology is used for this. So Thermax bars unlike CTD bars have a proven record resisting loss of strength at high temperatures as experienced during fires. TMX bars are better than TMT bars but from cost point of view. So coming to the cost point of view, where do you do not need fireproof structures like water tank, compound walls, etc. TMT bars should be considered. So here you can see this statement shows us TMX bars are better than TMT bar. But when it comes to the point of view of a cost, money, so wherever the fireproof does not require, like such structures are available like water tank, compound walls, such areas you can use about TMT bars should be considered. So this is nothing but the image showing TMX. So it will be clearly indicating TMX here. So Apex is nothing but company name. So TMX indicating clearly on the steel. Now let us see about how TMX steel bars are superior than TMT steel bars. So some factors are available. So those factors are responsible for TMX steel bars are superior than TMT bars. So TMX is nothing but Thermax powered steel is a high quality TMT steel bar have a definite advantage over TMT bars in terms of superior properties such as weldability, strength, are more ductile and tensile. So these are the major properties which make TMX steel bars more superior than the TMT. Few more are available. These bars meet the highest quality standards worldwide. Which bars? That is TMX bars. Moreover, TMX steel bars have proven more heat resistant, especially during fires, which adds on the strength and keeps the whole structure safe. So when compared to the TMT bars, it is having more thermal consumption, that is you can able to resist the fire. So that also one reason which we can able to say that it is having a superior from TMT. That's why TMX bars are termed as a new generation high strength steel. So it has been given a name also as a new generation high strength steel. So this is the image showing about the TMX bar, and you can view the image where we are going to insert. So this is a slab example. You can view the column, and similarly there will be footing and also beam. So all we are going to use about the steel, either it is TMX or TMT, depending upon the client requirement we can prefer. Now let us see few more factors how TMX steel bars are superior than TMT steel bars. Thermax technology, just now I said regarding that. So Thermax is nothing but from HSE Germany and Temco from CRM Belgium are the two patented technologies to manufacture thermoprocess to manufacture thermoprocessed bar to manufacture thermoprocessed bars worldwide, of which Thermax bars are having 80% of the market in India and a 60% market share rate worldwide. So the Thermax cooling technology involves subjecting the bar to predetermined quantity of high pressure water after the last rolling mill stand. This treatment converts the bar surface to a hardened structure. This results in a unique structure of a tempered Martin. This results in a unique structure of tempered marten site in the peripheral zone and a fine grained ferrite perlite at the central zone. So these few are the images showing about the TMT or TMX bars. Now let us see few more factors which are responsible for TMX bar to be superior. Another one reason is about better ribs. The strength of a construction depends upon the quality of TMX bars used in it, and most importantly the ribs on these bars. TMX bars bear very prominent ribs that give them improved adhesiveness and provide the construction with higher strength and a longer life. Another one reason that is chemical composition. Unlike TMT bars, TMX bars can withstand high temperature as experienced during fires. So just now I explained the TMX bar will having more fire resistance. Higher elongation is also available. So TMX steel bar possess an elongation ranging from 16% to 23% compared to standard industry norms at 14.5%. So these are the image shows about different types of bars with a different diameter. So here 8 mm, 10 mm, 12, 16, 20, 25, 32. These are the diameters of sizes are available in the TMT bars or TMX bars. Now few more reasons, that is excellent straightness. With the help of a high-end rolling techniques and a special rotary flying shear, perfect straightness is ensured. TMX bars are produced in straight length. TMX bars are produced in straight length, unlike many mills which produce the rebars in coil form. So another one reason is about earthquake resistance also. The enhanced elongation translates into greater flexibility, which gives the resultant structure improved resistance during earthquakes and other natural calamities. So these are the few more reasons. That's why these TMX steel bars are superior than the TMT steel bar. You can see the TMX bars of 500 TMX it is showing. So this indicates the name of the company. Now let us see about the next, that is a few more reasons, that is higher weldability. As I said that TMX bars are produced only from MS billets that make the bar free of impurities and balanced in chemical composition. This gives the bars an edge over other bars in terms of superior welding and other forming structure bonds. And another important point is about TMX bar is corrosion resistance. It does not, when the steel is exposed to air directly, it may be corroded, but when the TMX steel bars are more superior than the TMT bars because it is having corrosion resistance property also. More corrosion resistance than CTD bars. Cold working involved in CTD bars led to surface stresses and consequent higher rate of corrosion, and the protective scale layers falls off during twisting. The Thermax process basically inhibits rate of scale formation and no cold working is involved. So here you can see I have clearly plotted the image here, TMX and also TMT. Now let us see about the best steel bar companies in India. So basically Vizag Steel, you can also prefer JSW Neo Steel also available. Tata Tiscon, it is one of the oldest steel company in India. SAIL, this is also a government recognized sector sale, and Rudra is also one of the steel companies. So friends, these are the few companies I have listed here. Depending upon your requirement for the purpose of construction, you can prefer either TMX or TMT. So friends, if you like the video a lot, I request all the viewers kindly like, share and subscribe our channel JLT Academy, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.